In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a Monopoly Go QR code in Chrome and redeem your rewards. If you've come across an official Monopoly Go QR code on your screen, in a post, or on printed material, Chrome makes the process quick and simple. The goal here is to scan the code safely, open the link it generates, and then redeem the reward directly from that page. To begin, open Google Chrome on your PC or mobile device. If you're using a phone or tablet, make sure Chrome is updated and that your camera permissions are enabled, since scanning may rely on camera access. If you're on a computer, you can still do this easily, but you may need to use a web-based QR scanner if your setup doesn't support direct camera scanning through Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to a web-based QR scanner or use Chrome's built-in camera integration through the address bar if it's available on your device. On mobile, this may appear as a camera or lens option that lets you scan a code directly. On desktop, a web scanner can be useful because it reads the QR code through your webcam without requiring any extra software. If prompted, allow camera access so the scanner can detect the code properly. Next, scan the official Monopoly Go QR code that's displayed on screen or printed in front of you. Hold your device steady and make sure the code is clearly visible, well lit, and centered in the frame. If you're scanning a code from another screen, reduce glare if needed, and give the camera a moment to focus. It's important to use an official Monopoly Go code so you avoid unofficial links or expired promotions. After the scanner reads the code, it will generate a URL. Review it briefly to make sure it looks legitimate, then click or tap the link to continue. This will take you directly to the reward redemption page associated with that QR code. From there, follow the page prompts to redeem your rewards. In most cases, the reward is applied automatically or linked to your game account through the official page. If the page doesn't load right away, refresh once or reopen the link in Chrome. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, scan the official Monopoly Go QR code, and use the generated link to claim your reward quickly and safely.